How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning into Stock Essentials. Today we're going to be going over the 5 meme stocks, the 5 most hyped up stocks that you need to be watching this week in the stock market if you're looking to play some volatile stocks this week. So before we get started, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We make daily videos on stocks and options on the hottest stocks in the market. So today we're going to be going over the top 5 stocks you need to be watching. These stocks are very volatile and are capable of short squeezes with their high short interest. So first of all, of course, we have the beloved AMC as our first stock, ticker symbol AMC, and not to get confused with the other stock AMCX. Do not buy that one. That is the news network. Not the news network, the TV network. So you want to buy the AMC Entertainment, which is the movie theater stock. AMC has been doing pretty well. It was pretty flat yesterday in the market. But overall, we're up 800% in the past year, and a lot of people are making money off of this stock. There's a lot of bullish momentum. We're in a period of consolidation right now, which is pretty good. It's a good sign because it shows that AMC is holding this mid $50 price point, and it's definitely consolidating and is looking for a breakout pretty soon. It just needs a final push to get the momentum started. So AMC, keep your eyes on this stock. It's going to be very volatile in the next week or so. Next stock is going to be, of course, Blackberry. Blackberry is a highly anticipated meme stock. Early in the year, it hasn't really seen much love, but now Blackberry is one of the most talked about stocks in the stock market this week, and it's having a lot of bullish momentum. Right now, we're in, just like AMC, it's having a period of consolidation as a lot of the Reddit users and retail investors are moving into some of the other the high short interest stocks. Right now, like pretty much all the high short interest stocks are seeing some bullish movements just because so many retail investors are pouring their money in. Right now, it's a meme stock phase, and now is the best time to get into these stocks to get a piece of the pie. So BlackBerry, it's consolidating, and that's a very good sign that it's holding up its $16 price point level. And of course, just like AMC, it needs a pretty big movement, a pretty big catalyst before this stock goes to the moon. So BlackBerry, unlike AMC, it's not really sitting at all-time highs. The all-time highs was around $25, sitting at $16, so it's only up 180% in the past year. So there is a lot more room for this stock to grow. And the next stock is going to be GameStop, and just like the other two, it's in a period of consolidation. It's been pretty flat, but it has unlike the other two, it's steadily rising, which is a good sign. It's been maintaining this high price point for quite a while. We can take a look at the 1 week. It's been slight uptrend. The 1 month, it's been doubling. It's pretty much doubled in the past month. But overall, in the past year, like we can see, it's maintaining its $100 price point, which is pretty good. And the catalyst that it needed was this rally that we're having right now, and that's what we can see with BlackBerry and AMC. It's in this period of consolidation, and it just needs some movement to break out. But overall, GameStop has a lot of bullish momentum behind it. A lot of people like this stock and are buying more and more shares and options for it. So the next stock we have is Wish Context Logic. Not sure where this name comes from. If you know, please leave a comment down below. I would love to know where they came up with Context Logic from. But Wish.com, it's an online retailer website, online shopping platform. And it's basically where you buy a lot of cheap products. Like you can get like laptops for like $20, stuff like that. Just really cheap products, but of course, because it's so cheap, there's some downsides to it. The products may not work as expected, so you're getting really cheap quality products, as well as the shipping time is going to be pretty long because it's being shipped out from another country. But Wish has seen a lot of bullish movement in the stock market recently, up 80%, combining the after hours movement. So there's a lot of bullish momentum following the stock, and if you can see here, it's been steadily rising in yesterday. The past week, it's up almost double. And it's been it's on this downtrend ever since it IPO'd in early December. Hit a high of around $31, $32. And ever since, like, these hedge funds have been shorting the stock. We can see here that they're trying to drive this company to the ground, trying to bankrupt it. But the retail investors are stepping in and trying to save this company. So a lot of people got in at around $7 to $9 per share, and now we're sitting at $15 per share. So there's still a lot of room to grow for this stock, as we can see what happened in the market yesterday. So the last stock, the fifth stock that you should keep your eyes on, is ticker symbol CLOV, Clover Health Investments. This is one of the top movers in the market yesterday, up almost 100% in the market, and a lot of people have their eyes on this stock. It's up 200% in the past week, and overall it's been pretty flat. So a lot of people have been anticipating this stock. They were waiting for it to squeeze. Prior to this, it was at a high of around $17, $18. And then, of course, a lot of people are shorting the stock. We saw this huge downtrend all the way down to $6 to $7. But of course, just like Wish, a lot of the retail investors and Reddit users are buying into this stock, and basically the retail investors are saving these companies that are about to go bankrupt because of all the shorts happening. But that's about it. Watch out for these 5 stocks. It's going to be very volatile this upcoming week, pretty much for the month of June, I'm guessing. But if you want to make the quick bucks, you want to get in and out quickly, and if you want to be safer, do some strategies by selling options on these stocks. Obviously, with GameStop, it's going to be a little pricey because it's sitting at $300 a share, which is absolutely insane. But for these other stocks, AMC, Blackberry, Wish, Clover Health Investments, they're sitting at pretty low price points right now, so you can easily sell some options. For example, let's go into Clover Health Investments. Let's go into the sell puts for June 18th, and we can see the premiums are pretty high. Because these stocks are so volatile, the implied volatility is going to be pretty high, which means the premiums for the options are going to be high as well. As we can see for Clover Health, implied volatility up almost 350%. So the options premiums are going to be inflated a bit. So something like this, a $15 strike put expiring in 2 weeks, you can collect $143 of premium, which is a lot. You just have to pretty much wait for Clover Health to stay above $15 by June 18th, or you own 100 shares at $15 each if it drops below your strike price by expiration. And at that point, you're pretty much buying the dip if it does go under $15. So either way, in my opinion, it's a win-win. And you can do the same strategy, the same cash secured put strategy with all these other companies. Wish would be a good one. The price point of this stock is pretty low, as well as Blackberry. AMC might be a little bit pricier, sitting at $55 a share. But these other stocks are going to be great candidates for the cash secured put strategy, and that is one of my favorite option strategies to do cash secured puts. A lot of theta strategies. As you can see, I've been growing my portfolio using the cash secured puts. Lots of theta strategies. Selling options is my favorite go-to strategy, but of course it requires a lot of capital to do so. But slow and steady gains is how I'm pretty much playing this race. That's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below if you have any comments or concerns. And please subscribe if you're new here to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.